Let me give you a quick update after spending 5 or 6 hours going through my case with my legal team and hearing my options. My options of showing remorse, my options of mitigation. I'm sorry, it goes totally against my principles and values to do that. In the sense that the allegations against me, which they want to send me to jail for, is that I quoted what a head teacher had said. So the head teacher made an accusation, I quoted it. That's what they're saying I've committed contempt of court. Another one that they say I committed contempt of court is because I read what the school record said. Well, am I guilty of sharing that information with you? Yes, I am. Am I guilty of repeating those allegations in interviews? Yes, I am. Am I sorry for that? No, I'm not. So quite simply, if my actions as a journalist and someone who believes in freedom of speech and freedom of the press and believes in showing the public the truth, make me on the wrong side of your corrupt bullshit, unlawful in my eyes, injunctions, then that's how it is. I'm on the wrong side of it, yeah? I'm not remorseful for that. I am happy. I'm remorseful for what you're going to do to me, but I am happy that I stood for truth and freedom when many others wouldn't have, and when you attempted to silence me. I'm happy that I've not allowed you to silence me, and I'm happy that I've given the public the testimonies of the witnesses and the evidence of the school records so they can see and make their own mind up. I'm not telling them what to think. I'm just giving them the information to see for themselves, which is what this has been about, is hiding that information. So I face 100% certain imprisonment on multiple charges. The reason being, I could go in looking at this case and I could say, well, no, I didn't do that, and try and argue certain aspects. I don't want to. I own that. I 100% own that I stood for freedom and truth against your corrupt injunction. So, if that lands me on the wrong side of the law in Great Britain as a journalist, then that's where it lands me. And if that lands me in Belmarsh Prison for showing you, the public, the truth, then that's where it lands me. That's where I have to go. Because I can't... obviously, my legal advice is, well, we're advising you to do this, and that goes against, it totally goes against my principles and why and the importance. My right to free speech and my right to freedom of press and my rights as a journalist, in my eyes, 100% override your bullshit injunctions that try to prohibit the public knowing the truth. Okay? That's my job as a journalist. I've been good at my job. That's all I'm guilty of. So, it don't look... Well, in fact, it don't look great. It's guaranteed. I'm off Monday, man. It's guaranteed. Maybe before Monday, we'll see. I hope I'm there with you all on Saturday. But I'm just giving you all an update as to my thinking at the minute after 5 or 6 hours and seeing what the charges are. Because I didn't really care. Right? Oh, you committed contempt of court. Yeah, really? How? You repeated what the head teacher said. Yeah, I did, yeah. I did, because journalists didn't tell anyone what the head teacher said. Because the courts didn't listen to what the head teacher said. Because none of the media reported what the head teacher said. Even though the head teacher tells us in covert recordings, he told the media. So yeah, I showed the public what people said. And if that finds me guilty, I'm guilty, mate. I'm guilty and unapologetically guilty.